Hello everybody, this is Anna from Sydney Visa. Thank you for watching our channel. Today we will discuss how employer-sponsored regional provisional visa subclass 494 will lead you to permanent residency of Australia. As I previously told you, the 494 is a 5-year visa which allows the applicant to be sponsored by an Australian employer, live, work in regional Australia for 5 years. But what happens after this period of time? Holders can access permanent residence through the subclass 191 pathway, Permanent Residence Skilled Regional Visa. This visa was only announced by Australian government and will become available in November 2022. What the potential requirements will be? To be eligible for 191 visa, applicants must have held 494 visa for at least 3 years, have lived and worked in the designated regional area for a continuous period of at least 3 years. This must be immediately before the date you apply for 191 visa. Visa holders can move between regional areas. You are not restricted to stay in the same state or regional area that you apply. Regional areas are defined as any areas excluding Sydney, Melbourne and Brisbane. Regional areas include Perth, Gold Coast, Sunshine Coast, Geelong, Newcastle, Wollongong, Adelaide, Hobart and Canberra. The Department of Home Affairs will assess if an applicant is usually resident by taking into account their physical residence. This is where the person eats, sleeps and has a home. The department will also assess the person's intention to make that place their home. As a proof of the above, an applicant can provide lease agreements, rate notices, utility bills. The Department of Home Affairs will also assess if you have worked in a designated regional area of Australia. You can prove you have by providing employment contracts or work references or pay slips. The second criteria is that an applicant must show earnings of at least 53,900 Australian dollars annually for 3 years. This figure is subject to change, please don't forget about it. An applicant need meet health and character requirements, and an applicant must also show that they have complied with the conditions of Regional Provisional Visa 494. The great news is that you do not need to have a sponsor or a nominator to be eligible for this type of visa. With this visa you can stay in Australia permanently, work and study in Australia, enroll in Australia's public healthcare scheme Medicare, sponsor your relatives to come to Australia, travel to and from Australia for 5 years, and if eligible apply for Australian citizenship. The visa has a travel component that expires 5 years after the date of visa grant. After this time, applicants can apply for Australian citizenship or resident return visa. For citizenship purposes, your permanent residence starts on the day the visa was granted if you are in Australia, or you enter Australia on this visa if you are outside of Australia when this visa was granted. We hope this information gave you an overall understanding of the subclass 191 visa. As this visa is supposed to commence on the 16th of November 2022, please make sure you follow all above mentioned requirements if you are a holder of 494 visa and wish to apply for permanent residency. If you have questions related to this visa, please feel free to contact us through our website form or Facebook, Instagram pages, or just leave a comment below this video. Thanks for watching us, and if you find these videos useful, please support us with your like and subscribe to this channel. If you need help in preparation and lodgement of the 191 visa application on your behalf, our registered migration agents and immigration lawyers will be pleased to assist you. Specialists at our team have more than 20 years of experience in helping people to obtain Australian visas. Take care and stay tuned. Bye-bye.